All right, we're live.
Awesome.
Okay. So, which of the following variables is categorical?
B, right?
Did you say B?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too.
So that's A and D, maybe?
Can we select multiple ones?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, you can.
Okay, yeah, that was what confused me. I was thinking. Yeah, I think A and D.
Cool.
All right. So is this a stratified sample?
That's what I'm thinking.
Because you'd pick out like a couple from each of the neighborhoods.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a cluster sample, right?
So cluster is all items in one or more randomly selected clusters.
Is it a systematic random?
I was kind of thinking that, but with systematic, it says it's every kth item in the population, so it'd be like every fifth. And I don't know. 'Cause
Or
it does.
would be a
does-
stratified random?
Let's see. So they choose a particular district, so that's not random. Then they randomly select teachers within a fourth grade class.
Yeah, so isn't that, because wouldn't it be stratified because you're picking a group within a group?
Yeah, I think so. It says a stratified sample divides data into similar groups, and a simple random sample is taken from each group. So I think it's stratified or sample.
The only thing that throws me off is that they pick fourth grade students, so it's not random.
Yeah.
They randomly select teachers of, say, well, I don't know. They say they randomly select fourth grade teachers. So does it matter that they're fourth grade teachers, or is it just saying like they're being
No.
randomly selected?
No, I think it probably is another stratified. Divides
Well,
data
are
into
they
similar groups.
are they similar groups though? It's what,
Oh yeah, because it's only one. Yeah, I don't know.
because it's well,
What's this?
I feel like cluster sample and stratified sample are pretty close to the same thing.
Yeah, seriously.
I want to say it's a cluster sample.
That's kind of what I'm leaning towards.
That's what it seems most like, but I may be wrong.
At least there's more questions on this, so if we get one wrong, it's not.
Well,
Yeah.
I think that is a cluster because it's saying it breaks it up into groups, and I think by breaking it up into grades, you know what I mean? Like fourth grade, first grade, or whatever. It could be a cluster. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll go with that.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay.
So this would just be simple random, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
This sounds like Oh wait, or is it systematic?
I think it's stratified.
Yeah, I think it's stratified.
Or cluster all items in one or more randomly selected. Oh, it's not a randomly selected cluster.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
Divides data into similar groups, and an SRS is taken. So I think it's stratified.
Yeah, same here.
Is it though? Because you're not like there's not a set group you're picking though, is it? It's just random.
No, because the set groups are registered Democrats and registered
Yeah.
Republicans, and then they do a simple random sample of those.
Yeah.
So I think it's stratified.
All right.
What?
All right.
Is there an Excel format of this?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's in the.
It's in the description right there.
Mine's a .sav.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I opened up the Excel version of it.
How?
These are the data files in the book, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it's in the review questions as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's where I got it. It's just from the review questions.
Here. It'll open. There it goes.
Let me know when you guys have it open.
And I got it open.
Let's say the first one is the mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so 4.771.
Yep, it's like that.
Uh, 1.912 for the standard deviation.
Where did I put that? Yes,
I got-
1.912 is what I got.
What formula did you use?
Equals stdev, open parentheses, then I did like B2 all the way down, and then
Yeah.
close parentheses.
So it wouldn't be standard deviation on the entire population. It wouldn't be the P one.
No. Oops.
1.91.
1.912, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting true because I created a histogram earlier from the thing.
Let's see.
So the weird thing with creating the histogram for this one is like the bin range. That really confused me at first because you can, I guess, like select your own bin range, or you can just have it do it automatically for you and just leave the bin blank. So leave the input range as like the B column, just the numbers in that. And if you leave the bin blank, it'll just automatically create it for you and take you to a new sheet. And then you use those numbers to create the histogram.
Ah. That's interesting. Okay.
All right.
One moment, guys. I got someone at my door.
No problem.
Hey, Tyler.
Yeah.
For number 11, did you get negative 0.165?
Hold on, let me do it real quick.
Okay, sorry about that.
Mm-hmm.
What did I miss?
What did you say, Brock? Negative 0.165?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
For which one's that?
For 11. So you have to calculate the mean from those four numbers and then subtract the mean from x.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What was it? What was it again?
Negative 0.165.
.165?
Negative 0.165, yeah. So then for B, I got negative 0.825.
Well, you gotta square it, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
squared, yeah. Good call. Thanks, man. So 0.681.
Yes, that is what I got.
You said 0.861. Oh, shoot.
0.681.
681.
All right, so I was looking at this one before we started, and I think it's none of these is correct because the variance would be, let's see. The variance would be if we calculated the mean of those squared differences
Yeah.
and not the sum. Oh, I guess maybe it could be the standard deviation.
No, I think you're right on the. None of them are correct.
Yeah, because the standard deviation. Well, we don't have that yet, but yeah, I think it's none of them are correct. And the standard deviation,
0.715.
Yes, that's what I got.
how do you calculate that again?
Just the standard deviation of those four numbers.
Mhm.
Yeah. Just,
Did you just put that in Excel?
yeah.
Oh, okay. So what was it again?
0.715.
Oh,
That's false. 'Cause it's always between 0 and 1.
that's what I was thinking too. I'm gonna be right back again.
Mm-hmm.
Computer's dying.
Hey, we have to clean the apartment because Tyrell and Luke cleaned last time.
Right.
Okay.
Alright, so then for 16 is B, right?
Yeah. Because that's where
Yeah.
the standard deviation is the smallest.
I can find. Okay, true. This one's 8, right?
Yes.
Yep.
For Q3.
Mhm.
I don't know how to do this. This is the one we got wrong that one time.
So I think it's 50%.
Yeah, it's
Because
50.
4 to 6 is 25% and 6 to 8 is 25%.
Yep.
You're going from 25 to 75.
What? 50.
Do you just type in as 50 and not, you don't add a percentage?
Yeah, I just typed it in as 50.
Okay.
Huh?
I kind of agree. I kind of.
Estimate the mean.
Mean nitrate concentration.
Well, wouldn't it be so? The nitrate concentration in the city drinking water is between 1.59 and 2.52.
So just add those up and divide by 2.
I was thinking it would just be in the middle of it.
Which is, yeah.
So what would be the average? Yeah. That's like the only way I can think of it.
2.055.
I think that's right.
What is it? 2.059?
2.055.
Yeah, that's what I got.
That's the only way I know.
That's, yeah,
Think to-
something I can think of too.
And so then you just take that and then just Mm. I'd say 0.465.
Uh,
Did you just do that in Excel?
Well, it's just the distance from the mean to the out, like the 1.59 to 2.52. So if you take the 2.52 minus the 2.055, it's the same as if you take the 2.055 minus the 1.59, which is 0.465.
Yeah, that's what I got in Excel too.
Awesome. Good job, man. What was it again? 0.4.
65. Oh, that's what I got.
I think we need to use the equations that are. We gotta like use the numbers and then work backwards.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, but I didn't want to like try.
Okay, so the mean is that U symbol, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
All right, so it would be if we did 1.59 minus 2.055. Oops, need to pull up the calculator first. Negative 0.465, and then we want to divide by -2.
Wait, what'd you get for? Oh, okay, yeah, never mind.
That can't be right though.
What is it coming out as?
I think that is.
Negative 2.465.
I think we're. Which one did you use?
I used 1.59. I'll try it with the other one. So if we
Because I think it's a positive.
2.52 minus 2.055 is 0.465 divided by 2 is 0.233. 0.233.
And that's what I got with the other one, just as negative.
Well, I feel like. Yeah, never mind.
I think it's the
So we're going with
0.233.
I think so too, just because we solved for standard deviation using the other values that we found.
What is the O? Is the O means standard deviation too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we solved for that O, we get 0.233.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay.
So then we would just take the 0.233 and add it and subtract it from the mean.
Yes, I think so.
Well, that means we got it right because D works out perfect.
All right.
What is the value of the mean and of the normal?
This is 0, isn't it?
Um,
0 or
That was
1?
one of the
What?
questions from the other quizzes. I think.
wait, so let me read this again. The value of the mean of a standard normal distribution.
Yeah, it's a 0, and then the standard deviation would be 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it 1 or 0?
It's 0 and then 1.
So 23 is 0, 24 is 1.
Okay.
So can we see the quizzes after we're done with them?
Uh-huh.
You can?
I think so.
I don't
think
see
that,
why
like,
it would be any different.
Oh, this is one where we got to take it with the sample size. The ones we were messing up on last week.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Alright, so...
Well, we don't have the sample size.
Which is fine, so we just... But this is weird, because the mean is 542.3. So... we would do the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. The value is the same as the mean. Oh wait, no, sorry.
Yeah, right. It is.
It is. So 542.3 minus 542.3 is 0, and 0 divided by whatever is still going to be 0.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make sense. Well, wouldn't that be like the most common? Or not the most common, but it seems weird.
So if it is 0 and we put that in, the chance that they will score above that is 50%, which I guess makes sense because
Yeah.
0.5.
Oh.
0.500.
Is it 3 decimal places? Or is it just 0.5?
Doesn't say.
Yeah, it doesn't say.
So it's just 0.5.
Everything else has been 3 decimal yeah. Everything else has been 3 decimal places.
Well, because it's just a probability, so it's going to be
0.5.
to the 10.
It's 0.55.
No, just 0.5 or 0.50.
Just 0.5. Yeah, I don't think it'll even matter.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
So the probability that
This-
6
So this is
600. So now we got to do
600 minus.
minus 542.3, and then divided by 120.54. The z-score is 0.479. So I got 0.684 probability that they'd score
Yep.
below that.
Yeah. And selected student.
And then the other one, 0.316.
Yeah.
So this one you just use the chart, right?
Yeah, so we do
Mhm.
The z-score.
0.1. All right, so did you guys get 1.282 for the z-score at least for that?
Yes.
So then we need to multiply that by the standard deviation. I think.
So what'd you say? It's 1.28. What'd you get?
So the z-score is 1.282,
Okay.
I think. And then we would multiply that by the standard deviation, which is 120.54.
Did you get 154.532?
Yep, and so then from there we need to add the mean, right? The 542.3. Am I doing this wrong?
I don't think we're doing it right.
So z equals value minus mean over standard deviations.
Because I think that's the answer for the 90th percentile. I think.
Would you just add it to the 500?
And- Yeah, and I think you're right because I mean that score would be
Pretty
massive.
high.
Yeah.
Oh.
So are we thinking that the 10th percentile? Actually, so let's see. Maybe we needed to do the negative 1.282. And that would, let me try it. What's the mean again?
542.3.
So that gives us 387.768.
Yeah, I think that's right. Sounds a little better.
Yeah. 387.768.
Oh, sorry, say that again.
And that's
387.768. Oh, round to the nearest whole number. So 388.
388.
It's not talking about the 10th percentile that actually got accepted, right? Just of all the GMAT scores.
Yeah. So what you do is you do, so the z-score for like the bottom 10 is negative 1.282. Times that by the standard deviation gives you a negative number like the negative 154, and then add the mean to that, the 542 or whatever. Then that gives us this. So now to get 90th percentile.
It was the 697. It was just the first one that you did.
Okay. So was it 697?
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
So now we just got to do it for 0.25.
Yeah.
Is that 461?
Wait, so can you tell me the equation again?
Yeah, Lauren, how did you get that?
Let's see.
Oh, because you just do standard deviation, right? So
Yeah.
so we know that 50% is the 542.3. Is that what it is?
Mhm.
And then we just subtract 120.54. $421.76. Is that what you said earlier, Lauren? I can't remember.
I think so, yeah. I got... What did you get again?
421.76.
Yeah. First I got 461, but now I'm getting that. But I don't think that's right. I don't know what I did differently. What am I
So
doing?
maybe I entered in something wrong. Let me try it again. So
That one's just
you just take the mean, which
mean
is
standard deviation.
the 50 percentile, so 542.3, and then you subtract one standard deviation. So 120.54 gives us 421.76.
So all you do is take the mean, subtract the standard deviation?
Yeah, because isn't that what like the yeah, I think that it is. Isn't it just one standard deviation? Or am I completely off in this?
And then
Yeah, I don't think that's...
Where's the 0.25 come into play then?
I don't know what you mean by the 0.25.
Because it's for the first quartile.
Oh yeah, the 25%. Let me see if I can find this in the book real quick.
So because we don't know the minimum value, huh?
Nope. Yeah, I'm guessing that we'd have to do it just the same way. That we'd have to put in 0.25.
Oh, it says the minimum is 500. Does that matter?
Oh yeah, that'll help.
Because then if 50 is the minimum, or 500 is the minimum, wouldn't you just take the mean and then go 25% below that? Because if that's at 50, you're 25% below that, you're at 25, where it needs to be at.
I don't know. Let me try something. So, Lauren, did you say you got 461.06?
What's that?
Or 461, because it's just a whole number, right? You initially said 461?
Yeah, but I don't think I did it right. I'm not sure.
I do think that's right, because the way I got 461 is I put 0.25 into the probability applet for the area, and then I selected below that, which is negative 0.674, multiplied that by the standard deviation, which is 120.54, and then that's like negative 81 something, and then you add the mean 542.3, and that gives you 461.
Huh. Well, that's definitely not how I got it, but sure.
Alright, I'm down for that.
Yeah, me too.
So we got 461 point.
It's 461 because it says just round to the
whole
nearest whole
number.
number.
Okay,
yeah. So I'll try that same way to get the third quartile.
I don't even know what I was doing over here. I've got all kinds of weird stuff going in my calculator.
Because I thought that I guess maybe not. Because wouldn't no, it doesn't need to be like exact, it's not exactly like halfway between the mean and the fourth quartile, the third one would be, right?
Yes.
We got 623, 624.
Okay.
And that's just the same way that we found the 10th percentile, the 90th percentile, 25th, and 75th.
Okay.
Okay, wait, what did you get then?
624 for 31.
Okay.
That does make more sense, though, doing it that way.
Say it doesn't make sense?
No, it does. It does
Oh,
make sense.
yeah. All right, so 32 is now where we have the sample that we've got to use, which is where we were screwing up last time.
So you just take the square root of that and then divide it by the mean, right?
The standard
Or the
deviation.
Standard deviation, yeah.
So did you get? Oh, I don't know if that's right. Oh, I got 140.
Hold on, I think I'm doing this wrong.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Oh, they're trying to trick us. The mean of it's the same thing. So the mean of the distribution of sample means is equal to the mean.
So it's 542.3, right?
Yep.
Divided by.
Just 542.3.
That's the answer.
Yeah, that's. You'll.
That's right, isn't it? The mean of the distribution of sample means, like.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it doesn't give you a mean, right? So it's.
Hold on, I'm gonna look in the book real quick, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. The mean of the sample of means is equal to the mean. The standard deviation of the sample means is the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So the mean of the sample means is the mean.
Yeah, nice.
So then that means the standard deviation would be 140?
Let's see. Standard deviation of the distribution of sample means would just be, the standard deviation divided by the square root of 15, which is...
That's not what
31.123.
Said 31.124.
123.
But I got 31.1239.
Mine is 31.12329.
Huh. Let me try doing it again real quick.
You made sure to do 120.54, right?
I think so. All right, so the square root of 15 is 3.873. And then we want to do 120.54 divided by 3.873. 31.123. You're right.
Okay.
So 31.123.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, 31.123. Yeah.
All right, so here we can use that 31.123 already. So now we just need to do 600 minus 542.3
Divided
by 31.123, which is 1.854. And the question was, what's the probability that it will be greater than 600, which is 0.032.
Yep. That is what I got.
All right. Want me to
All
submit first this time?
Sure.
Oh. Okay. I'll make sure I got them all in here.
Here, I'm already submitting it.
Oh.
Let's see.
I didn't
Okay.
save question 8, so I just want to make sure I actually put an answer for 8.
We got all of them correct.
All right, good job, fellas.
Dang. Nice.
So we can see this again before our test.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Yeah, so up at the top where it has like content, discussions, quizzes, all that stuff, just click on quizzes and I think you can go back into it.
Look at that. We got more than the class average.
Where
What's
did
the
you see
class?
that? Just when you went into quizzes?
Yeah. Well, once you submit it, just press done, and it'll bring up the quiz submission screen.
Oh.
Yeah.
But where do you see the Oh, never mind. At the bottom.
I don't even see that done.
Yeah.
After it's submitted, it'll tell you like what you got right and what you got wrong, and then all the way at the bottom, just press done.
Huh. Yeah, I
At
didn't.
least that's what I did.
I couldn't
Yeah,
scroll down any farther, but that works.
Wait, so because I go in and it says current quizzes, like it's still going on.
Did
You might
submit
be able to
it?
look at it.
Yeah.
You might not be able to look at it while.
What? You're cutting out. Because I can't look at the results of it. It shows, or you see reports. Oh, I don't know. Hopefully it'll process in the past quizzes so I can look at it. Well, you guys. Oh, never mind. Found it.
How did you get there? Because I still can't find it.
Oh, you just gotta click on the arrow, and then go to submissions. Is that where and then go to attempt 1. I want to see you see that bar graph. And then once you click on that blue little link, it should take you to the.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it anymore. Like I went back to where the quiz was.
Because you just click quizzes. You can then go to the lesson 8 group meeting.
Oh, gotcha.
And then
There's a
go
little
to
down arrow.
reports. Or I mean submissions.
Submission.
Attempt 1.
Gotcha. Okay, I see. Awesome.
All right. Thanks for posting it as always, Tyler.
Yep, no worries, guys.
Yes, thank you.
Yep, I'll see
Hey,
you.
do we have to post this?
What's that?
I thought I read something
No,
that we
Tyler
don't have
does
to post this one.
He's a legend.
I don't know. Let me see.
Oh.
It's only Tyler that needs to post it.
The only one.
As far as
You only
I've
need to
read.
post one, and then put our names down.
Right.
Let's see. It doesn't have. You know what? We don't have to post it. There is no group collaboration for this thing.
Okay, yeah.
So this was all for fun tonight.
So group meeting directions. Yeah, there's just no place to post it, so I guess we're done.
Awesome.
All right.
Cool. Good luck on the test, guys, and see you on
Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah.
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 See ya.